We all know that Tangkhul, MEITEI, Kabui, or any ethnic tribes have 7 clans or 3 clans system. What is the scientific reason behind the 7 clan system? Well, the answer lies in genetic pool. Let's see an example of Parsi community allows cousin marriage and marriage between only Parsi couple. As a result, their population has gone down drastically from 1 lakh in 1940s to 40,000 in 2024. Due to low genetic pool and intercourse of same genetic parents, pregnancy failure, weak offsprings, genetic disorder of the children occur frequently. So our 7-clan system was classified on the basis of each 7 unique genes. Marriage within same clan. YEK THOKPA is not allowed.
So in order to withstand the ever-changing environment, new diseases, genetic disorder, our forefathers classified and follow the clan system. This a living proof that they were a highly advanced civilization.